And if you ask a colleague at work, a non-Muslim colleague at work, do you see any difference in Abdurrahman this month? Do you see any difference in Muhammad, in Fatima, Maryam this month? Or are they the same as they are outside the month of Ramadan? You know what they'll say? Actually, yeah, there's a big difference this month. Muhammad is more irritated. Muhammad has a short temper. Fatima has Snapchat me 3 times today. And when I say, what's up? They say, well, I'm fasting. So fasting becomes the excuse for us to become worse in our character. Become more harsh, more short-tempered, more quick to answer back, more quick to slay and cut people. But the Prophet ﷺ, his closeness to the Quran in Ramadan, it had a visible impact. People could see the difference on him. And the way they described the difference in him, they said, his generosity, his kindness in Ramadan was like the pleasant breeze. When on a hot day, and you feel, coolness. You feel the leaves ruffling. You hear the chirping of the birds. Everybody loves the breeze, the gentle wind on a hot day. You and me, this Ramadan. A non-Muslim should be able to tell the difference in you and me this Ramadan. They should be able to tell, I don't know what's got into him or her, but this person has started to behave extremely patiently, extremely kindly, so punctual, so generous, so soft-spoken, so pleasant to be around, like the pleasant breeze. Someone who's a non-Muslim should be able to tell. That is the Sunnah, that is the Ramadan our Prophet ﷺ lived.